The 1800 election was a very serious election. This election was between John Adams and Thomas Jefferson. But only one could win. Before the 12th Amendment, electors could cast 2 votes for their party without specifying one as being for the president, the other as being for vice president. The election was taking place in the 1800s to elect a new executive branch. It was taking place before the 12th Amendment was added. In February 9th, 1801, the final election was admitted, and Thomas Jefferson was elected president. Thomas Jefferson was running for president for the Democratic Republican Party. Thomas Jefferson and Aaron Burr were originally going against each other, but because the 12th Amendment did not exist yet, Aaron Burr and Thomas Jefferson came into a tie. Because of the tie, Thomas Jefferson became president and Aaron Burr became vice president. Adams and Charles Pinckney were running for president on the Federalist side. John and Charles were going for the same position, but neither of them won. None of them were successful. John and Charles lost to Jefferson and Burr. Thomas Jefferson and Aaron Burr both had a total of 73 votes each. John Adams had a total of 65 votes. Charles Pinckney had a total of 64 votes. And lastly, John Jay had a total of 1 vote. Thomas Jefferson was one of the greatest presidents that there was. He was one of the luckiest presidents and got to go into his 2nd term. But Alexander Hamilton, leader of the Federalists, believed that it was a contest to save the new nation from Jefferson. Federalists and Republicans agreed on one thing, that Jefferson would set America's course for generations to come, perhaps forever. Federalists eventually started to attack Thomas Jefferson. In this picture, it is the Federalists attacking Jefferson, saying that he is an infidel. Infidel means someone that does not believe in religion. The 1800 election was a very close election, but Unfortunately, Thomas Jefferson and Aaron Burr won, which led our country to be a better place.